and here we are. There's the front door, and that is the whole entire house. It is 4 levels. Let's go inside. Welcome to the Innovation Neighborhood, and these are townhomes by Lennar. So this first home that we're going to start out is a townhome, and it is multi-leveled. So we're going to start out here, and I know this is the front of the house that you're looking out over, and it looks out over the brand new elementary school. It is the first elementary school that has been built in 30 years in Fremont. It's going to be TK through 5th grade. There's a balcony that overlooks it, and here is the main living area. It features the great room, which is going to be your living area, your dining area, and your kitchen. So let's start out here. I know that the TV is a central point in many homes. So here is the TV right here. And you can tell what's really important these days, I've seen in a lot of these model homes, is really large couches. Because again, this is the central area that people are living in, especially during COVID. So this is a large couch. It probably seats comfortably 6 people. So let's go next over to the dining area. And this is a 6-seating dining area. And it's actually quite large. I would say that this area is probably 15, maybe, no, 12 by 10. And so let's go over to the kitchen area. And really quickly, as you're walking, you'll notice that they have the subway tiles, and these are going to be 12 by 24 or so. And they really have went with a color concept in these, or this particular home. Stainless steel and also gray. And so as you walk into the kitchen here, you'll notice that the large island, which is really prevalent in a lot of the model homes these days. And the countertop, which is a different shade of gray here, and it's kind of like a simulated stone. Pretty solid looking. And then also, I'm on the fence if I like this backsplash. It's kind of like little mirrors, not quite a mirror, but I like it. I wonder how it is to clean them. So featured in these homes are gas ranges, which has a cooktop and an oven. Okay. Again, there is that backsplash. I really like the cabinets. They're very classic looking in gray, and they have it top and bottom. And in this living area, there are high ceilings. I would say probably about 10-foot ceilings. And then what I really like in this house, actually, a lot of the model homes either have the sink in over here at the island, or I like it when it's overlooking something. And on this particular one, it's overlooking the kitchen, which is overlooking the street where the driveways are and the garages, which is nice. You can kind of see what's going on out there. So right next to the sink is the dishwasher, again in stainless by GE. And I really like in this one is that there is a pantry. There's not a door on this one right now, but there will be. Lots of extra space for you to store all your pantry items, which could be more than just food. It could be extra utensils and cooking items, like maybe your rice cooker or your Instapot or something like that. And then over here, there is 4 bar stools that are for, you know, kids eating their cereal in the morning or whatever, kind of the informal eating area. And then when you're ready to sit down and eat something a little bit more formally, you are gonna go over and you're gonna eat at the dining table. So this home in particular does have a downstairs to the garage, and there's a half bath on this main level. So let's go downstairs and see what is downstairs. Okay, so here we are at the ground floor level. If you were to go through this door right here, this is going to be the garage, which you can drive right into. And then also in this level right here, there is another bedroom down here, but it's actually something a little bit more than a bedroom. It has a walk-in closet here, utilizes that space underneath the stairs. Actually, it's quite a large space. There's a lot of extra space to store like your Christmas decorations or your holiday decorations, whatever it is that you have. And again, looking out the window there at the elementary school, which is going to be right across the street. It was supposed to open this year in 2020, I'm sorry, last year, but because of COVID, they didn't open it. So here is a surprise for this bedroom. It is actually like a little studio down here. So if maybe you have people visiting you, or maybe you want to have an Airbnb and help pay for the cost of the home, it has a mini fridge, a microwave, and a really large farmhouse style sink in this little kitchenette right here. Really nice. You know, maybe you have in-laws that are going to live with you and they need to be on the ground floor. And it has a full shower and bathroom, and behind this door, they're not here right now, but you can put in a stacked washer and dryer. That's super handy, right? Okay, so I was a little surprised. I was very happy. I mean, you could turn this into a couple of different things, Airbnb, whatever. So, okay, let's go upstairs again. Okay, we're back at the main living area, and let's go ahead. We are gonna go, those were the stairs that we came up from the front door. And if we turn around 180 degrees, we're gonna go up the next set of stairs. And this is going to be the master suite level. So on this level, we're gonna start at the top of the stairs, is going to be the washer and the dryer. Lots of storage space up there to maybe put some shelves or maybe some cabinets. There's also some storage over here. Great for putting some games for the family, or maybe some books, maybe linens. I don't know what extra things, you know, you never know what people need to store. This is going to be the master suite. Now, I'm gonna be a little honest with you. This is tile. Tile on the walls. I know this is a model home, but I'm not really sure how I feel about it. I think it's nice, it's shiny. But again, let me know in the comments below. How do you feel about these large tiles? They're probably like 12 by 36. How do you feel about them? I don't know. So here we go. There's that tile on the back again. This is a really large room. That is a queen size bed. Some oversized side tables there. And they had enough room to put a whole nother, and that is not a small couch, folks, and a little table. There's a wide enough walkway there, and the dresser. Then what I like here is there's a balcony where you can sit and just relax. Yes, you're overlooking the playground, but again, maybe you're not gonna be relaxing during recess time. So again, this is the master suite level. We are gonna go down the hallway, and this whole wall on the left is closets. So if I were to back up just a little tiny bit, here is a walk-in closet that goes the whole entire length of this hallway. And I would say that this hallway is probably a good 12 to 15 feet. So we're gonna go down a little bit more. Again, throughout the whole entire house is that great cabinetry, very classic looking. So a little more storage area here. And then we're gonna go into the bathroom. And as most master bathrooms these days have, dual sinks. Okay, here is what I love. I love this tub. And let me just tell you folks that on this tub, it's insulated, so it's gonna keep your heat in longer. Above the tub, obviously, are two windows, shade or not shade, that is the question. Here the lights were not turning on today, but is the water closet. The door is not currently on here, but there will be one. And then here is your shower, a stand-up shower. So you have your choice when you're in this home, a stand-up shower or tub. So let's go back to the stairs where we kind of started, and we are going to go up one more level. All right, we are on what I would consider the 4th level of the home, and here we are going to have 2 bedrooms. So this bedroom, you are at the very top. Yes, you are at the top. You can see the sky out here, a nice view of over a bunch of the other homes in this community. It does not open for you to walk out there. They have sliding doors on the closets, and I would say that those are about 6 feet closets, 6-foot closets, excuse me. And then they have a Jack and Jill bathroom up here for these 2 bedrooms. Now, here's something that I really like. Dual sinks, matching cabinets throughout the house, a large mirror so you can see yourself and getting ready. The thing that I like and that took into consideration is you have the sinks over here, but you have a doorway. Yes, the doorway is gone right now because it's the model home, but then there is the water closet area and also the shower. So it works out really well to have the people in that bedroom over there getting ready while maybe the people in that bedroom over there are in the shower. So we're gonna go, this is the very last bedroom over here, and let's see this bedroom. That's a double bed, but it has really big side tables. So again, it's not a small room. And then here we go. We've been looking at the school all along because this home faces the school, and here we are above it. This is going to be a school that is for TK through 5th grade. And then this bedroom, because it's situated at the front and it's over the stairs, has a walk-in closet. So the last feature of this home that I really truly love is this little seating area for somebody who maybe works at home, or maybe you have a child who is doing Zoom classes. And again, throughout the same cabinets throughout the whole entire house. This is vertical living at its finest. If you would like a tour of this home or any brand new home in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to give me a call. I would love to be able to help you. So be sure to call me, text me, email me, whatever is comfortable for you. My name is Casey Serafino-Lee. I live right here in the Bay Area. I work right here in the Bay Area, and I love the Bay Area. And I want you to love where you live too. See you on the next one.